Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a new video. Today I wanted to try out the Dyson Airwrap. I finally got it and this is my second video that I'm actually shooting for Dyson because on Thursday I actually tried the first time, but my hair was like dry and it doesn't really work on dry hair that well. Today I just wanted to do a quick video on that because I actually have to rush out in around 2 hours for my lace appointment. So here we are doing the second time, so that is why my hair is like wet. I usually like don't wash my hair during the daytime. I usually wash it like at night. I prefer to do that. Finally, I have the Dyson Airwrap. I have the Airwrap Complete Airwrap, and it has a bunch of really good amazing things to style your hair. So today we are going to try out this. I know I'm really late to it, but and it is almost like 2 years since it released, but I wanted to actually purchase it, but it is a huge investment because it is quite expensive and my hair is kind of like damaged a lot using the hot tools. On camera you need to like style your hair in some way, otherwise it really doesn't look well. So I actually had to use, and my hair is like kind of damaged, and if you are in Dubai, if you are in UAE, you have like damaged hair. So yeah, today I just want to finally try it out. So it is not like a review kind, but I just want to try it out on camera and see how it works. I mean, there is a lot of really good reviews. Obviously I'm not really great at it, and I'm really not great at styling my hair, so this looked really nice, and it has like some really good technology that doesn't destroy and damage your hair as much as other do. So let's see. And before starting the video, please do subscribe to my channel, hit notification bell so you can be notified, and please do subscribe, like it, give a thumbs up, and let's get into the video because I don't want to get late for my appointment. So we have the Complete Airwrap, and I got the pink fuchsia one. There is like a blue color which I really hate. There's like a copper color also, limited edition one, and I think red, but I got the pink one, and it has all the attachments. And now I think they have like extra attachments which you can buy separately, but I think this is like good enough for me. So you have like a dryer Airwrap barrels, which is 30 mm, and 40 mm barrels. You have firm smoothing brush, soft smoothing brush, and round volumizing brush, and it comes in like a leather case. Got it from Sephora actually, and it's been a while since I got it, but I didn't get time to try it out, and it's actually pretty heavy. I mean, the case is like pretty huge. So this is the case that it comes in. It's pretty heavy and really nice. It has some Canada technology. Canada to curl. A continuous flow of air forms around the barrel, attracting hair to its surface, creating voluminous curls and waves. You have like a warranty which you can do it online, so I've already done that. And then you have like all the attachments. So you have the dryer, which I'm gonna use just a little bit. Then you have like this brush, which I am really scared to like use it because when I was a kid, like I had actually wrapped my entire hair on this and it kind of got stuck, which comes like in a brush form with handle. I actually stuck my hair on it. Then you have, I think this is the soft smoothing brush, which has this pinky thing. Then you have this one, which is the firm smoothing brush, and then you have like two barrels. This is the 40 mm one, which for like loose curls, and then you have like 30 mm one for like tight curls. So I think I'm gonna use this one most probably. And then you have like the main thing, you have to attach everything on this. I'm actually just going to attach this, and the wire is like pretty long, so if you have like connection, I mean a little bit far away, I think this will do because it's like pretty long wire. You have like 3 buttons on this. This is for on and off, the lowest button. Then this one is for the airflow, and this one, can you please focus, and this one is for the heat, so you have to keep it on the highest one. And then you have the dryer. I usually don't ever use a dryer. And then you have a lock and unlock buttons. dry a lot because you need like damp hair, and then you can just like unlock and remove the attachment. And then you have these barrels. I'm going to use the 30 mm one, so you have the light right and left according to how you want it. We'll try this out. So I think I'm gonna attach this one for my left side, and I'm just going to like brush my hair and I'll just be back. So I'm back. I actually prefer like wavy curly hair, not curly in the sense, but I love like good wavy hair, so that is why I actually got this. I don't really use hair straightener that much because I don't like straight. I mean, straight hair is good, but it looks like way too flat on me, so I prefer like wavy curly hair rather than, not curly hair in the sense, but like waves. And my hair is like in layers, so I mean I need like a haircut because I haven't like done my haircut since I think maybe October. I think I'm gonna wait because I'm gonna wait till my anniversary, and during Ramadan I don't really need like a haircut. So, and my anniversary is like I think gonna fall on the same day as Eid, so maybe before Eid and my anniversary I'm going to tie my right side. First we'll do the left side. So I'll be taking like small sections because smaller the section, much better curls. I'm gonna keep the heat on the highest. So that's pretty nice actually. My hair is like layered, so all the hairs like don't curl at the same time, so that's the main issue. So that is why I have to manually put it on the barrel. I'm gonna switch it on. Switch it off and then curl it. I mean, my hair is kind of like in layers, that is why it's not like holding the curls maybe properly. I mean, the only thing is you have to hold like the cold button. Okay, that was really nice. So I think I have to take like much more thinner sections. So that's actually pretty good. that is my left side. I mean my curls are not actually like, the back side is like opening up, but I mean you have to use it every day to get a hang of it. But the curls are looking pretty nice, not that tight, but maybe I have to use it like again. And please, this is not like my first impression, I just want to try it on camera. But the curls are like pretty nice and my hair is like pretty soft. Now I'll change the barrel, and so I'm just going to unlock it and use the other one for right side. And my hair is like pretty damp. Okay, so I'm finally done and it's actually looking really nice. I mean, not crunchy at all. I'm not actually going to spray anything. I just have to use it like a couple of more times to get a hang of it, because yeah, sometimes it kind of get confused how to hold your hair so that it sticks to the barrel. But I mean, my curls are like not holding up that well, but it's pretty smooth because my hairs are like really thin and not that great, but it's looking pretty nice and it's pretty soft. So I think I have to use like a bunch of more times so that it holds up my hair, or I have to use like much thinner hair sections. It's like kind of opening from below. Maybe I didn't actually hold it for the time I was supposed to, for around 15-20 seconds, or maybe my hair was way too wet for it. I'm not sure, but I mean, it's looking pretty nice, pretty soft. Usually it like doesn't look and feel this soft, but it's feeling really nice, that is for sure. So I'm gonna try it a couple of more times and then maybe I'll get used to it. Now it's looking nice. But anyways guys, this was actually all for today's video. I was not doing a review, I was not doing first impressions. I just wanted to try it out because I got it, so I wanted to try it for you. There is much better review. Honestly, I have watched like a million of these videos to see how it works. But if you like this video and if you watched me struggle and if you enjoyed it and if you enjoyed like my hair not curling, please give a thumbs up, share it with your friends and family, and I'll see you soon in my next video. Bye.